influential, interconnected, integral to your media plan. They're the audience history delivers every day. History's men can make or break new products, controlling billions of dollars in spending power. So you're making the move to the cloud. Your journey is a unique one and continues to change and evolve. You're here for many reasons, including the desire for increased performance, easy access to data, and always, cost savings. US Cellular invites you to the premiere of its two dazzling multimedia phones, the Samsung Caliber and Samsung Exec. They're rolling out the red carpet. The fans are gathering. The flashbulbs are going off and the crowd is buzzing. Do you have an ugly baby? Does your baby stop traffic? Does your baby put the health of elderly people at risk? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you've got an ugly baby, which leads to a difficult decision. Should you be taking photos of your ugly baby?
What makes a man? Is it his power, his drive, his strength? Because a man knows that the scent doesn't make the man. The scent makes that man smell like the kind of place that man wants to smell like.
Avast thee, landlubbers! Man the rigging and swab the deck, or you will be shark bait by sundown!
Hi, I'm a pirate, so it might come as a surprise to find that a tough guy like me gets an annual prostate exam.
This is Maya, crying, her first cry ever. For Maya's mother, it's the best cry ever, because that's the sound every mother hears when her baby is born healthy. All claims with this product are void if not used according to label directions. Not intended as a cure for athlete's foot, menstrual cramps, genital herpes, or migraines. Please follow label directions carefully and consult a physician promptly if you suffer nausea, diarrhea, internal bleeding, or develop a skin rash while using this product.